Hi everyone, I am Arunan from Chennai, who is an engineering pre-final year student, and I have been recruited by Unified Mentor as data science intern. And during this internship, I have performed two projects, which are climate change modeling and tobacco usage and mortality prediction. So as a data science intern, I never felt any difficulty doing that project, and during the course of this project, I have got lots and lots of insights from Unified Mentor portal which in a way helped me to complete my project without any difficulty. The project flow was so smooth, and yeah, so regarding feedback, there is nothing specific sort of feedback regarding this because I never felt any difficulty during this program, and instead I have got lots and lots of insights and informations about on field as well as off field about on this project. And on the whole, it was an awesome experience. So that's it. So I'm looking forward to collaborate with Unified Mentor in my future endeavors. So thank you.